Hey friends, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. Today is December 30th, so 2025 is only 2 days away. Um, I thought I would share with you some things that I picked up on like after Christmas shopping when everything goes on sale or goes on clearance. And I picked up a few Christmas decorations for next year and I thought I would share them with you. And I also hit up the Peddler's Mall. Um, yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff here, but it's a lot of Christmas decor. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, keep watching. Okay, first off, I'm going to start with the Christmas decor. I hit up Marshall's. I knew exactly what I wanted from Marshall's. I mean, I just wanted a couple little things, and they actually still had them. And we waited till we had Olivia. So we waited. We didn't go the day after Christmas, but we went the day after that. So we went on the 27th in the evening. So most of the stuff was picked over and gone, but I knew that I really didn't want anything special except for these. And I just took my chances, and they were still there. These are the cupcakes and cashmere, just the decorative ribbon. I love these. I don't know what it is about these. I decorated with them this year. So when I seen they had these two left, these two colors, I went ahead and grabbed them. They were normal $9.99, so I did get them for $5. But I love them. I don't plan on using the string. I plan on just sitting these out at Christmas time next year. But I love how they got the sparkle and just the Christmas colors. So I picked up those, and that was all I got from Marshall's. And then the only thing that I wanted from Walmart, I knew what I wanted, and I would have bet money that it would have been gone, but they were still there, and I was so excited. So I got the big tree, the 47-inch one, and I love it. I come home and I put it together to see what it looked like. It's so cool. But as you know, it's one of those paper trees, the honeycomb style. It just flips open and magnets hold it. And this one is in two pieces because it's so large. But I was so excited because it was normal $39.97 and I got it for $19.97. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. That was the only thing I really wanted from Walmart. But I did pick up a pack of these tea lights because I have like a gingerbread house. So I can put a tea light in and some other items. They just take the odd batteries, the little round ones. But I still grabbed a 6-pack of them for what, $1.75, something like that. So I grabbed those. Did I get anything else from Walmart? I did. Our Walmart is getting ready. That was all the Christmas decor I got from Walmart. But our Walmart is getting ready to do a whole store reset. So it's like the whole store is on sale. So I've been wanting a new bed skirt forever. The only thing is with my bed skirt, where I had the footboard, I had to cut the corners of it so it would go over the rails. Well, this one has the slit in it, and it's just the mainstay. They had mainstay, and they had Better Homes and Gardens. The Better Homes and Gardens did not have a slit. This one did. It was like $2.50 cheaper. It's like $6 is what I paid for this. It was on clearance. And I've been wanting, like I said, a new one. So I got that. I have one of these forever. And I just never bought them. But they are the Eurosham pillow shams. Look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. This is what it's supposed to look like. They're Better Homes and Gardens. These are usually like, what are these? Usually they're either 15 or $20 a piece. I got them for $5. And so I bought 3 because I have 3 of these pillows on my bed. But I love this. It's like a gray and white. so pretty. So I was so happy to see those on clearance, so I grabbed those. Then we went in Big Lots. They're closing all the Big Lots from what the news says. We talked to the girl in there that was at the register. She says they were told it would be 60 to 90 days from the date they were told. So they knew, but all their Christmas was half off on Christmas Eve. It started Christmas Eve, and then it went through till after Christmas. But I was able to grab 2 of these. Grab the other one. Now, I tried so hard to get the black ones. So these were regular $19.99. So they were like $9.99, $10. And if nothing else, if I don't like them as gold next Christmas, we're going to paint them flat black. But, you know, the more I look at these, the more the gold is like really grabbing my attention. So I got those. I'm so excited to grab those. And then from, I got quite a bit from Big Lots. I got these LED fairy lights. They were $6.49, so they were like $3.25. Because I use a lot of battery operated lights at Christmas. Like, I use a ton. I buy a lot of batteries. A lot. So I grabbed those. I got these candles, these taper candles in red. And they were regular $6.99. So I paid like $3.50, $3.49 for them. But I grabbed those. That was the only set I seen. And then these, I grabbed 2 of each of these. I got some more bells. They came in 2 different sizes, so I grabbed 2 of these, and I grabbed 2 of these. And the big one is regular $9.99, so they were $5. I mean, and then this one is regular $7.99, so about $4. So I just grabbed 2 of each. That is what I got from Big Lots. Now, we went to, at one point, we went to, what's got Bargain Hunt, and we, like I said before, we always go in there to buy snacks for the kids. Well, me and the girls had went in there one night, and we seen these candle holders. And they were pretty inexpensive. This one is $5. This one I think is $4. And this one is $2. And I just thought these would be gorgeous with a regular candle or a battery operated candle in them. And my plan was to come home and take this off, because that I don't like. Well, Kevin was playing with it. It just pops right off. It has a hook. So this is how I'm going to use them. Not with this I'm going to throw away. But how pretty are these? They came in this really pretty gold. And then they also came in a really pretty green. But for some reason, I kept thinking with the glow of the candle that the gold would be perfect. But like I said, I think I'm just going to like throw the handle away, because I don't want the handle. I'm not into the handles, but I got 3 of them, and to put them together would be so pretty. And then the last thing that I got from, but those were half off, so they were, this one, I'm glad I didn't buy them that day. This was $2.50, and then the medium sized one was $2, and the small one was like $1.25. Then I found this duvet set, and it is this is what it looks like. It is a king size duvet set. It comes with the pillowcases, the duvet, and everything. It is from Threshold, and it is normal. It doesn't have the normal price on it, but I paid $12. I paid $12 for this. I love gingham. I think it is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. I just think it's going to be awesome for spring. So that was it for my Christmas decor. Guys, I'm so tickled that I was able to get this. I really wanted this. Kevin turned the corner. I had that in my hand. I just watched him roll them eyes. He knew. Okay. Then I went to the Peddler's Mall today to pick up a cabinet. They had a cabinet there that I found. It's wood. It looks old. I don't think it's real old. I think somebody just kind of put it together. But it's going to be perfect for all my thermoses that I collect. So we're going to move my hutch to the end of the dining room on the big wall. And then we're going to put this cabinet over where the hutch was, which I will show you once it's all done. I'm really, really excited for this cabinet. But while we were in there, we picked up a couple other things. I found this one with the orange and yellow and black. It is from Sunflower, but this is vintage. We looked it up and it does show that it is vintage, but I love this. Now this one is the most I've ever paid for. I mean, it's perfect on the inside, that I ever paid for a thermos, and I paid $18 for this. But it's the colors that got me. I'm obsessed. So I got that. Me and Bree grabbed this for Papa because it's a spittoon, and he really needs one because I am tired of him spitting in the trash can. It's so gross. But we grabbed him this. It was $3.75. $3.75. That's really cheap. Then I found this, which I gotta get. They put this price stickers on there, and it takes me forever to get these off. What was I using? I used Goo Gone earlier, so it's not sticky, but it's still got that square on there. But anyway, I'm gonna put candle on it. It was $3.75. And then I seen this little runner. I thought it would be really cute on one of my little tables. It was $6, and then it was 25% off. So I thought that was a pretty good price. It's burgundy and tan, and it's just, I really like it. Grab that. And then a gentleman helped me put the table on my cart, or not the table, but to put the cabinet on my rolling cart. And him and his wife had in their booth this basket, and I looked and it said $5.99, and it was full of stuff where they were setting them. I was like, hey, can I buy that basket? She's like, absolutely. How cute is that? Is that not adorable? I love this. Nothing wrong with it. It's just really cool. I love it. So I picked that up. I think that was everything that I got from Peddler's Mall. Then we swung into the Goodwill. And in the Goodwill, of course, I found this one. It was like $2. I have one like this, but it's a little bit smaller and doesn't have the flip top. But I thought, in my cabinet, I have this one, then I have the smaller one sitting beside it. So I got that one. I got this from the Goodwill. It is a table runner. It's $1.99. I don't think this has ever been used. It's still really stiff. I love the colors. The colors are definitely me. and it can be used in the fall. It can be used now with winter. So I got that. And then I grabbed 2 pairs of slippers, and I grabbed these for myself, not to resell. I found these Uggs, and they're in great shape. Just need a little bit of cleaning, which that's easy. I mean, even the bottoms are in great shape, and they are a size. They're size 10. I usually wear a 9, but in Uggs, I like to go up where they have like all the fur in them. I got those, and then I grabbed these. These are Clark's, and they are. They stick stickers everywhere on these shoes, but they are a leather upper. How cute are those? And they are my size 9. They are so cute. They're like in great shape. There's like, you don't see any feet print or nothing in there. It's like great. And that is what I got from the Goodwill. And then the last thing that I got was from Tractor Supply. We went in there. We were looking for the dog, like a new chew bone for Christmas, and all their home decor in the Christmas section was 40% off. So I found this, and it was regular $19.99. So it was like $12. I think it rang up 11 something, 11.98 or something. But it's really cute. Yeah, it looks really new. But I'm going to use it to put my I'm going to use it on my kitchen counter and put my utensils in it. So I'm going to put it in there. But that is it. That is my after Christmas purchases. Here after the new year, I'm going to do a clothing haul and show you what I picked up from the Free People sale. I have a lot of it. It's coming in today. I've got 2 packages coming in from Free People. I just love their clothes. I'm obsessed with Free People. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas and had so much fun and spent time with family. Our Christmas Eve got canceled this year. The girls got the flu, and then it hit Chrissy's house, and it went through every single one of them. And today is the 30th, and they're just now starting to feel better. So, I mean, the flu hit us all up really bad. Kevin, me, and Calvin are the only 3 out of everybody that didn't get it. So, fingers crossed that we stay on that route. But I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. I hope you just, like I said, got to spend time with your family. Because that's what Christmas is all about. It's not about the gifts. It's about family. It is my favorite time of the year. It is so much fun. We have so much fun here. And even though we didn't get to do it this year, we still had a great Christmas. But you guys, that is it. I love you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.